Guys, another lock picking video for you. Again, I've got another special lock here from Lock Cracker UK Lock Sport, who designs these and mills for machines that lock so that you can see the insides of the lock. Again, beautifully made. This is the 5570 series, 6-pin padlock, key retaining. Works perfect. There we go. Show you the fitting for it. Do you find that this is quite a challenge from the American lock, because pin 2 there, going under 2 to get 3, quite a bit of a pain to be honest, but great challenge. Do much appreciate this padlock. Just to show you the insides there. They've got serrated key pins in all of the chambers. We've got serrated pin in chamber, driver pin in chamber 1, spool in 2, 3 serrated, 4 spool, 5 serrated, 6 spool. So let's give it a go at picking it for you. Can be picked exactly the same. Going to be using the Peterson jam. So we start at the back of the lock, just pulling out, come to stop, push up, drag, stop, push up, pin 4, three, 2, 5, 6, 1, 6, 2, 1, 4, 1 again, that was pin 2, into rotation on 4, and we're open. There you go guys. I say UK Lock Sport, Lock Cracker designs these padlocks, so if you want one of these padlocks, get in touch with him. I'm sure he can work something out for you. Thanks guys, bye.